If you need a solution to your small item storage needs, this might just be it. This is the Vanquest Gear Sticky Cube, size small. And this thing is a durable little beast, made out of high quality ripstop nylon, big beefy Spartan pull tabs. And the reason I have this is I have a lot of camera gear, I have a lot of cords, I keep compasses when I'm camping, extra rope in here, and it's a good little storage solution, see-through window. But wait, the coolest feature of this is its expandability. Right here you have this little zipper, all YKK zippers. Take this all the way around, and now we've just about tripled to quadrupled our storage size. The sizing on this is 5 inches high, 4 inches wide when compressed, 1 inch deep, but now that we have it unzipped, we're at 3.5 inches deep. Lots and lots of room in there. Like I said, you can keep toiletries, extra camp gear, compass, rope, etc., whatever you want in there. Camera gear, cords, all a good solution. And if you don't want that extra room, just come back to the zipper right there. Grab the little tab, work it back around, and now we're back to our original size. Very good, very high quality, strong, durable stuff, easily compressible, nice pull tab here, and Velcro on the back to stick onto whatever you need. So check it out if you want to keep some of your small items stored away with an easy access.